Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 7 mathematics. We will continue our exercise 6b. In my previous video I have already solved the question from 1 to 17 of the same exercise. Now today we will start from question number 18. In exercise 6b the question number 18 and 19 both are same question. So here we are going to solve question number 19. So here exercise 3b. Sorry, 6b. Size 6b here. And the question number 19. In question number 19, the instruction is multiply minus 8 by 21 x square y square by minus 7 by 16 xy square and verify your result. Verify your result for x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Okay students, this one we have to solve here. Now look at question. First in this question we have to multiply both of the algebraic expression. So here we are going to multiply minus 8 by 21 is multiplying with minus 7 by 16 x square y square into xy square. Okay student, 8 to the 16 and 7 3 are 21. So when we will multiply we will get minus minus plus here, 3 to the 6 here and 2 and 1 x cube here and 2 and 2 y to the power 4. So students, if we multiply minus 8 by 21 x square y square with minus 7 by 16 xy square, then the product is 1 by 6 x cube y to the power 4. Okay, when we multiply both of these terms, what we will get? We will get 1 by 6 x cube y to the power 4. Now students, we have to verify our result for x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So how we will verify? We have to keep the LHS and RHS both terms separate. So first here we are going to take here the LHS term. The terms that lie left of the equal, that is called LHS, left hand side term. So here we are writing minus 8 by 21 x square y square into minus 7 by 16 xy square. Okay students, we have already written the left hand side term. Now we are going to place the value of x and y. We are going to place the value of x and y. So minus 8 by 21. What is the value of x student? In the question it is given 3. The square of 3. And what is the value of y? 2. So we have to make the square of 2. Okay student, look here. Minus 8 by 21. Here x square. The value of x is 3. We have made the square of 3 here. And then y square. The value of y is 2. So we have made the square of 2. Into minus 7 by 16. Again x here. So on the place of x what we have to put the value? 3. And on the place of y what we have to put? 2. Here the y square, so we are writing here 2 square. Now solving it, minus 8 by 21 into what is the square of 3? 9. The square of 2 is 4 into minus 7 by 16 into 3 and the square of 2 is 4. Okay student, now we are solving it. 7 3 are 21 and 8 2 are 16. Now 2 2 are 4 and 3 both are cancelled with each other. Now what remains here student here? 9 4 is 36 and 36 2 is 72. Any confusion students? 9 4 is 36 and 36 2 is 72 here. Minus minus plus. Any doubts? I hope no doubt there. Now continuing here. Now we are going to take RHS term. What is the RHS? Here 1 by 6 x cube into y to the power 4. That is our RHS. In RHS we are also going to put the value of x and y. The value of x is here 3. So we have to make the cube of 3 here. And then the value of y is 2. So 1 by 6 cube of 3 is 27 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. Now we have to solve that. when we multiply 2 4 times, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. And 3 cube is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Now we are solving the value. Reducing the terms here, 3 2 is 6, 3 9 is 27. V2 8 times. Now when you multiply 9 and 8, you will get value 72. And this value is equal to LHS. So if students, our product is wrong will be here, then we will not get the same value as LHS. Okay. So when we are solving the RHS and get the value equal to the LHS, that means the question is verified. Okay student, in this way you have to solve the question. Okay. Now question number 20 and 21 both are same. So we are going to solve question number 21 here. But before we have to clean it. So I am going to clean it. Now in question number 21, it is given that students find the value of minus 8u square v to the power 6 into minus 20 uv for u is equal to 2.5 and v is equal to 1. Okay students, this one we have to solve here. Now students, what we have to multiply? We have to multiply minus 8 u square v to the power 6 into minus 20 uv. First we will multiply the constant terms of this algebraic expression. Now add the exponent of the same variables, 2 plus 1 here and v. Here the power of v is 6, so 6 plus 1. Now minus plus 28 is 160 u cube and v to the power 7. Okay student, now we are going to put the value of u and v. The value of u student, it is given here 2.5. So we have to make the cube of 2.5 and the value of v is 7. So we have to make the power 17. If we put out the decimal from here, once come here, after decimal there is only one digit, so we are making a 0 here. Now solving the terms, 160 into 25 by 10, again 25 by 10 and again 25 by 10 and 1 to the power 7, that is equal to 1. Now 0, both terms are reduced, 0 and 0 both will cancel each other. Now with 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. Again with 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. Okay friend, 2 8 is 16 and 2 4 is 10. So 25 4 is 100 and 125 is 2500. That is our answer. Okay friends, or 4 5 is 20, 25 is 100 and 125 is 2500. Any confusion students? So in this way you can solve the question number 21. Now in next question students, question number 22, 23, 24 and 25 all are same. So we are going to solve here question number 25. But before we have to clean it. Now in question number 25 student, the instruction is given here. Find the products. Find the products given below are in each case verify the result for A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. And the question is here students, minus 4 by 7 A square B into minus 2 by 3 B square C into minus 7 by 6 C square A. That first we have to multiply and then we have to find the value for, verify we have to result for A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. So first we have to multiply the students here, minus 4 by 7 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 7 by 6 and the power of A are here. Here we are adding the exponent of the same variable 2 and 1, 3. Again B 1 and 2 3, and then C 1 and 2 3. Now we have to solve the terms here. 7 7 cancel. With 2 3 times. Minus minus plus plus minus minus. 4 by 9 A cube, B cube and C cube. So students, if we multiply minus 4 by 7 A square B with minus 2 by 3 B A square C into minus 7 by 6 C A square A, the product will be here minus 4 by 9 A cube, B cube and C cube. Now we have to verify the result here. Similarly in question number 19, we have solved the LHS and RHS separately by putting the value of A, B and C. So now we are taking here LHS. The term that lies in the left of the equal is LHS. So minus 4 by 7 A square B into minus 2 by 3 B A square C into minus 7 by 6 C A square A. Now we are putting the values here. Minus 4 by 7. What is the square value of A? 1. So we are making the square of 1. What is the value of B? The value of B is 2. Minus 2 by 3. Again here the B. The value of B is 2. So we are making the square of 2. And the value of C is 3. So we are adding here 3. Into minus 7 by 6 C A square. What is the value of C? 3. The square of 3 into A. The value of A is 1. Now we are solving the terms here. Minus 4 by 7. The square of 1 is 1 into 2. Minus 2 by 3. The square of 2 is 4 into 3. Into minus 7 by 6. The square of 3 is 9 into 1. So student here 7 and 7 reduce each other. 3 and 3 reduce each other. 3 3 is 9 and 3 2 is 6. And 2 and 2 both reduce each other. Now what remains here? First we have to do the sign here. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus here. Now 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Okay, 8 4 is 32 and 32 3 is 96. So the answer will be minus 96. Now we have to solve the RHS separately here. This one is RHS, the product that we got by multiplying the numbers. Minus 4 by 9 A cube, B cube and C cube. Here the cube of A, so we have to make the cube of 1 because the value of A is 1. Here the cube of B, so we have to make the cube of 2 because the value of B is 2. And here the cube of C, so we have to make the cube of 3 because the value of C is 3. Now continuing it, minus 4 by 9, the cube of 1 is 1, the cube of 2 is 8 and the cube of 3 is 3 3 and 9 3 is 27. Now when we reducing the terms, we will get here 9 3 are 27. Now 8 3 are 24 and 24 4 are 96. Minus minus plus minus plus minus minus plus minus and minus plus minus. So we have to make the minus sign. Now the same value that we have got here, that we are getting by the solving LHS. So is equal to LHS, and by this we have verified that our product is correct. Okay student, in this way we will complete exercise 6B. Thank you students.